Good evening, viewers. Welcome to the news. A quick look at the headlines. Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills, R.M. Gurba, holds meeting with traditional village heads. Minister Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department A.L. Hegg addresses NEHU Vice Chancellor controversy. And Striders Runner Club honors young athletes for excellence in 6th Meghalaya Games. The news in detail. The Office of the Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills held a meeting with the traditional village heads to discuss a proposed landfill at Nonghali. The village heads expressed concerns about the landfill's impact on the Umken River, which 15 villages rely for drinking water and agriculture. Deputy Commissioner R.M. Gurba announced that the village heads will raise awareness about the landfill, assisted by the Urban Affairs Department and Pollution Control Board. A follow-up meeting will be held in a month, followed by a public hearing if necessary. However, Supar Rangai, president of Sinjukinong Sinsharshanong Waingdo Umken, expressed distrust in the government, demanding a proper agreement before the project begins.
I don't think that you persiapin yung habang suada kami ini berfashion. Then the sham like cut as hap iki de sham baka egajing so jongki ro kabalong kabay ha bangin ne pakhatwang namal baki paiba nang sungsung ki bakta kani project ki khambur tingi happen sya iki happen snutu iki de larai menta ba nakaliang ki snong bangin lech ki snong ni pen ai kata awareness about of snong ban pen so tu beling idon kami kani project banang tang sekendo pat hadin sipnai ban bangin la banya perkhat-khat belum nungin fix ke project kiri hadian bagi paiba la so tu ya kajing mentor jong ni ka project
dan nakalang jungi ro ngi demand ba habai de bekane shwa ba country ni de ban sim da ka agreement ka basai khnang ba kan long singanya ka menta ba di ka long den klam ka agreement nginam la ban ya chikmat dengan project.
Minister A.L. Hegg, while speaking on the demand from students to remove the Vice-Chancellor of NEHU, mentioned that the BJP had met with students and some teachers to discuss concerns regarding the students' well-being. Hegg further noted that the opposition to the Vice-Chancellor was strong, prompting the BJP to escalate the issue to the central level, with the belief that it would be challenging for the Vice-Chancellor to continue in the role. However, he also mentioned that there had been recent developments from the central government, which appointed 2 pro-vice chancellors in Shillong and Tura. He stressed that the issue should be resolved swiftly to prevent further impact on the students.
Vice Chancellor mo. Hadin nung ngataru dalam ada pengata tang ya don gatugan ni ki student lu lawan rangkalang bat ki khasi student union bat ka NEHU student union like no ega tilong am ngingim kwa chu ya uniu pro vice chancellor benang don dapo NEHU. Ila ada pekret halor jong ka tu ka report ru mereka ada onging ya ka tepoki central leader jongi kepada na parti BJP. Pakai engage ke decision dia mensiam lo kam keluar kena bukan efek ya ka larger interest jogi students.
After a long-standing investigation, police in North Garo Hills have arrested Laden C.H. Sangma, alias Chenang, a former area commander of the Garo National Liberation Army, for the 2012 murder of a school teacher. Sangma was involved in the brutal murder of Denibert Momin, a renowned science and math teacher, on July 19, 2012. The case was initially challenging due to insufficient evidence and fear among witnesses. Sangma was arrested on March 27, 2025 in Bagmara, South Garo Hills district. Sangma was part of the first batch of GNLA and became the area commander of Northern Zone in 2012. Doctors at Dr. Norman Tunnel Hospital successfully removed a swallowed pushpin from a 14-year-old boy's lung in a rare 2-hour surgery. The boy from Thatlaskin block had been treated at multiple hospitals before the successful procedure. The pin was removed from the boy's right main bronchus. Dr. D. Nongplo praised the medical team's resourcefulness and life-saving efforts. The success highlights improving healthcare facilities in the state, even outside the capital.
Wanuchi hypor iba nruajek ijanmit haga arasan direk wada history gawa bayu ong wada ngodu yo tu upin go penja kajaru tu o open det habot ma the ngodu hypor wa pra sten step ya o cheni ba yo pagi gamun te hypor mana one patient gamten le egi x-rays ki ongi to yo ba to wa haka x-ray da penyo ba to wa tu pin how to food pipe da to how food pipe ha ta pair ware tang da pin rapman rare ni case ba to wa live chau wind pipe lamba wind pipe da lao chau ni pipe wa chikini ke lungs chaka right side
only to show you kajar wa so menu the pouch what the man ye de lai ha dispensary mulong ta scanning as x-ray the ye o te de yo o tu kajar the pack in chia long man la chia long làm gì the lai ha la so bad la mi gi ado poison sina ko mani store wi ye ga bi.
In a heartwarming ceremony, Striders Runner Club honored 4 young athletes from West Khasi Hills for their outstanding performance in the 6th Meghalaya Games held in Jawai. The athletes, Hopefulson L. Marshall Long, Teolari Riangxiang, Banjoplang Wanyang, and Yoris Tie, were recognized for their medal-winning achievements in various track and field events. The felicitation ceremony, attended by members of Striders Runner Club and other dignitaries, featured Dr. Jurisaman Yaup Niao, MDC of Nongstoin constituency, as the chief guest. Dr. Yaup Niao emphasized the importance of staying away from substance abuse and encouraged the youth to focus on their goals. He also shared his personal experience in balancing sports and academics.
Eskuat berkentil, ia kena samla kini kepor. Kadon ke future ia pi ke berpernai. Henry kesyong hanga kesyong kepi. Banjit ya kata kalawai na ke benta ke jongi. Yui ba kibun kibalayat lang ba. Kini kilenti kibajwak. Ba amdan beplay kalat yaki. Ring nong ia pi ke jing tres hitam ke jong pi. Katulong EP, ubah job, hakabakut.
Evening FC emerged victorious in the Super 5 NJY Memorial Cup 2025 Futsal tournament, defeating Blitz Wolf 2-1 in the thrilling final match held at GBHSS Chanmari Football Turf in Tura. The tournament, organized by ICFAR University, Tura campus, in collaboration with the District Football Association and District Sports Office, West Garo Hills, aimed to bring together football enthusiasts and young talents from across the region. Evening FC received a cash prize of Rs 30,000, medals and awards, while Blitz Wolf received Rs 20,000. Individual awards were also given to outstanding players. In today's fast-paced world, it's more important than ever to stay connected to our cultural roots. Festivals like Shad Sajer are a vital reminder of the need to preserve and honor our traditions. Here is a report.
The Shad Sajer festival, revived in 2024, celebrates the deep cultural roots of the Right Nongpo community. This traditional festival features indigenous dances, music and performances, all held at Lumwerto, a sacred hill where the community's ancestors first settled.
kumno ban penimbiang ya kini katamasa lane ya kini ke Shad Sajer kabla judon nadu kipor kiberim ndai thai kabla yalam yengi hadin jom hajar sau kumaginong yalam kila yetu musyamlala ban penlong tikna ladengin haidin ngam aratin ban ong kidau kila pendan shibun tenre minum haidin ni kita dan kisah kemenpan pemerintah naduk ke senem ke beladak naduk ke shimti iba linus lendo lembat kilongsan barok ba kila shim ya kene ke sinjam ban penlong biang ya Shad Sajer.
The festival honors the Creator for blessing on agriculture, health and prosperity and pays tribute to Lei Lukmi, the goddess of rice. Prominent leaders including Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong attended the festival, reaffirming the state government's commitment to preserving indigenous traditions.
Malekren bat ulu kalam ri namar ban nadu ban senen milas tamban wan ban ikendu yanga hagaji ya penbe ya kanika surok kaban peti tenat ru ya katika snong hanti meneu ramba snong uru usketri juga snong ula puli ya to ka memorandum kaban ya leng ba syau ni ulung kumasan plur duna ngakwa ban ong ye pi usnem arhajar arposan arpun riu financial year ngin pentre kam ya kanika surok ban ong
To improve accessibility and future development, Tinsong announced a Rs 5 crore allocation for road construction and blacktopping. The festival is not just a celebration but a vital link to the past, a platform for future growth and a preservation of cultural heritage. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
In a heartwarming gesture, MLA Charles Samarngar provided a newly built home to an underprivileged family in Umshiao village, Mauhati constituency, Ribhoi district. The family, consisting of Kong Emilda Nongrum and Ba Clement Lingdo, had been living in a dilapidated house, but thanks to Marngar's kindness, they now have a safe and stable place to call their own. Here is a report.
Marngar personally funded the construction of the new house, allocating a portion of his salary to ensure the family's well-being. The community also came together to support the family, with several members donating household essentials and the village headman Andor Bashnong playing an active role in the construction process.
Yang aku nong nikmat dekat nama pi ki nong snong jong ni ke snong bat kerpang nak kebenta ki try jong ni ke yin kelangin IT ni ke yin sengi ke bang kecina.
The house was officially handed over on March 26, 2025 in a simple ceremony attended by church leaders to Menbasan Bishala, village headman Ba Kom Lapang and other community members. The moment was emotionally bringing tears of joy to the mother of the household.
Kibala pan yo sungo hakan ka por kilong tang kita ka don ya kamen sim jong ka jing ya tibla mo ba ya ka jing sungo kurdor jong kata ka jing yo priang ya ka jing kerku lamba jongno.
This is not the first time Marngar has shown his support for underprivileged families. In January 2025, he assisted Kong Sunita Marbanyang and Ba Parding Lang Walang in Larbyang village, demonstrating his commitment to helping those in need. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
And now the weather report. First, in Tura, the minimum temperature stands at 20 degrees Celsius with the maximum temperature at 33 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 73%. Moving on to Shillong, the minimum temperature stands at 14.7 degrees Celsius with the maximum temperature at 26.7 degrees Celsius, the relative humidity being 80%. Lastly, in Jowai, the minimum temperature stands at 15 degrees Celsius, the maximum temperature 23 degrees Celsius, and the relative humidity is 78%. And the forecast in Tura, Shillong and Jowai indicate that dry weather is likely to occur at most places. Dear viewers, before we wind up, a recap of the headlines. Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills R.M. Kurba holds meeting with traditional village heads. Minister Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department A.L. Heck addresses NEHU Vice Chancellor controversy. And Striders Runner Club honors young athletes for excellence in 6th Meghalaya Games. With that, we come to the end of the news bulletin. Dear viewers, do join us tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Until then, next time. Good night.